Hi everybody, welcome everyone to my tutorial series in Node.js for ECMA script 6. Here is a Node.js documentation, and I use the latest version with V8 JavaScript engine, and it is event driven and non-blocking IO model. Then you can create your server and send your request from your client to server. You can send post get request to your server, and I will build your server using your Node.js. Firstly, you need to download the Node.js installation from macOS, and this step is quite easy because you can download and click and next. But now I will show you about how to run it in terminal. With the macOS, you search for the bro install, and you click to bro.sh, and you see that this is the script for installation with the home bro. And the homebrew use Ruby to run the script in Ruby, and you can run this line. You copy this line to install the homebrew. The homebrew allow you to install Node.js and other packages in macOS. After pasting your script here, you can press enter and give it the user password of administrator or root password. Wait a little bit, yes, and it will show that the installation is successful. It means that now you have a bro. Then you can install node, and you see that you can upgrade the Node.js version by bro update node. Then it will download the latest version of Node.js, version 8. Then extract and build in your system, in your macOS system. Okay. After that, you can check the version of node -v. It means it shows the version of the Node.js that is running, and I use the v8. And you can install the npm. The npm means the node package management. It is the management of the node package. Then you can use the npm to install some other packages of Node.js. You can check the npm -v to check for the version of node package manager. Then you change directory to my code. This is my code directory, or you can use your own directory also. So after change directory to this, I can list all file and remove all file. What about the IDE? The IDE here I use WebStorm. You can use so many IDE, but here I use WebStorm and browse to the code directory. Then it is blank because no file here. So you want to npm init to initialize an Node.js project. Then you give it the package name or the name of your Node.js project. You type here. Remember that it can no longer contain capital letter, so you use this form. And this is a version of your package or your project. You can add it here. Enter description of the project. For example, this is a tutorial, and the entry point. This is now the main file. Index.js is the main file. and after running the initialization, the package.json has been created. Then you can list on file. You can see that this is my package.json. This file contain all the setting and the package that need to be installed in your Node.js project. Then the index.js is a main file. You can change this name and create another file depending on your purpose. I create a new project and index.js. Remember that the file is the index.js as defined in the package.json. Console.log is a program is a command that print out to the screen or print out a string to the screen. In this case, it will print out to the screen that hello world. Inside this, it is a string, and the controller is a package name, and the log is a method or function. Then it can run by Node and index.js or the Java or the Node.js name. Remember that all Node.js is written in JavaScript, ECMAScript 6. And what about the Ubuntu? You can install in the terminal of Ubuntu using apt. You must add the administrative or root permission to this. Then the package name is Node.js legacy. You type your password a little bit, and you can install the npm or the node package manager to this. Remember that the code here is based on ECMAScript 6, and it is the latest standard for web development or server development in Node in JavaScript. You can check the Node and the npm version as in macOS, and you change directory to the directory in of my code. I share my code through the VMware, and you can change directory to this list all file and run the file node index.js. Then hello world. So now I change a little bit by bring to this and add a new line. For example, how are you? Then come back to the Ubuntu, then rerun again. You can rerun again the file to run the Node.js. Okay, you can see that it will run output 2 line of code in the Ubuntu. Or you can run the JavaScript setting, and remember to choose it is ECMAScript 6 or ES6. It is a standard for writing code in Node.js for the latest version. This is the end of my lesson today. Please subscribe to my channel for more video in Node.js. I will bring you more interesting video about this. Thank you very much for watching.